How to draw the Roblox Noob. To begin, we're going to draw a straight line. This will be the top of the torso. Next, we're going to draw two slightly slanted lines, one coming down from either side of the line we just drew. Then we're going to connect those two lines at the bottom. Next, we're going to draw the arms for our Roblox Noob. To the right of the square we just drew, we're going to draw a rectangle. This will be for our Roblox Noob's right arm. Next, we're going to do the same thing on the left side of the square. This will be for the left arm. Looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. After we're all done drawing the arms, we're going to draw the legs underneath the square that we drew in the middle. For the legs, we're going to draw two rectangles. They will touch each other and be right below the square. Looking great! Now we just have to draw the head. We're going to draw a half oval shape going on top of the line we drew at the very beginning. In the middle of the face towards the bottom, we're going to draw a V-like shape. This will be for the mouth. And then above that, we're going to draw two ovals for the eyes. This is how to draw a Roblox Noob. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.